Functions part 1 pages 14 to 22. System functions. 1. Expand programmability functions. System functions. ASCII function. ASCII characters are between 0 and 255. Select ASCII A 64 output. Select ASCII ABC 64 output. It returns first character value. Char function. कैरेक्टर फंक्शन ASCII कोड को कैरेक्टर में वापस कन्वर्ट कर देता है 0 to 255. I want to print alphabets from A to Z. Declare @start integer ASCII A set @start is equal to 65 while @start is less than equal to 90. Begin select char @start set @start equal to @start plus 1 and output A to Z. Syntax declare set while begin select set end. Printing small letters using char function. So declare @start integer set @start equal to 97 while @start is less than equal to 122. Begin print char @start set @start equal to @start plus 1 and output A से Z तक printing alphabet. Select ASCII 0. Declare @start integer set @start equal to 48 while @start is less than equal to 57. Begin print char @start set @start equal to @start plus 1 and output 1 से 0 से 9. ठीक है, उसके बाद आता है ltrim. रिमूव स्पेसेस फ्रॉम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. सेलेक्ट ltrim hello. Select first name, middle name, last name from TBL employee. First name is having a lot of space included. Select ltrim first name, middle name, last name from TBL employee. I want full name in SQL using first name, middle name and last name. Select first name plus single inverted comma plus middle name plus single inverted plus last name as full name from TBL employee. To remove spaces, select rtrim ltrim first name plus single inverted plus middle name plus single inverted plus last name as full name from TBL employee. Uppercase, lowercase, reverse length to calculate total characters. More string functions part 23. Left function. Suppose if we want 3 characters from the left side of the string, I can use the left function for that. Let's string is ABCDEF. Select left of ABCDEF, 3 output ABC. Select left of ABCDEF, 4 output ABCD. 5:23 right same as left. Char index. Here we are finding the index of the @ symbol. Char index. Expression to find, expression to search, start, location. Select char index single inverted comma में @ then comma @ sara @aa.com output equal to 5 substring single inverted comma में sara @aa.com 6, 7 6 से 7th letter उठाएगा ये output aa.com. It is hard coded. Every time we have to manually put entries in place of 6. Select substring pam @bbb.com char index comma @ pam @bbb.com 7. It will be including @ we have to add 1 output @bbb.com. Select substring pam @bbb.com char index pam @bbb.com plus 1 7 output bbb.com. To remove hard-coded value 7 from this string, select substring pam @bbb.com, char index pam @bbb.com plus 1, len pam @bbb.com minus char index single inverted comma में pam @bbb.com. We want email domain and the total count. Email domain total 433. There are other ways also to achieving this one. So answer using column in place of string. Select substring email comma char index @email plus 1 length email minus char index email as email domain count of email as total from TBL employee group by substring email char index @email plus 1 length email minus char index @email. Hence we got the output. Some more string functions. Part 24. So replicate space pat index and char index both of them returns character of the string, but pat index you have the flexibility of using wildcards, but with char index you cannot use wildcards. Pat index and char index are extremely useful. Select email comma pat index ब्रैकेट में इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में @% कॉमा email as first occurrence from table employee where pat index single inverted comma में %@aa.com comma email is greater than 0 output email sam@aa.com ram@aa.com john@aa.com steve@ first occurrence 4 4 5 6. Then replace function, replace में select email comma replace email single inverted .com .net as converted email from table employee stub function no need. ठीक है. Date time functions part 25 get date current underscore timestamp system sys time sys date time no use sys date time offset. So get UTC date, few more date and time functions. Is date, check it is valid date or time. Day returns the day number of month of the date. Month returns the month number of the year of the given date year. Date name functions returns string. Select date name date part comma date returns a string that represents a part of the given date. This functions take two parameters. The first parameter date part specifies the part of the date we want. The second parameter is actual date from which we want the part of the date. Question, we want name, date of birth comma day comma month number, month name, year from a table. Select name comma date of birth comma date name, weekday, date of birth as day, month, date of birth as month number, date name, month comma date of birth as month name, year, date of birth as year from TBL employee. Date part, date add and date diff functions. So date part returns integer, date name returns and varchar and both similar. Example, select date part weekday 2012-8-30 returns 5. Select date name weekday 2012-8-30 returns Thursday. Date add date part number to add date to add date. Third, date diff calculates difference between dates. Practical example of using the date time functions. पेज नंबर 21 तक हो गया.